In a world shifting toward renewable energy, energy storage systems play a critical role in enabling a sustainable future. Battery energy storage systems are designed to store surplus energy from solar panels and wind farms, making clean power available even when the sun isn't shining or the wind isn't blowing. But BESS aren't just about sustainability. They also provide a reliable source of backup power for essential facilities like hospitals, data centers, and industrial plants. As BESS units are increasingly placed near forests, in rural areas, or within densely populated zones, safety becomes more than a priority, it becomes a necessity. Whether it's ensuring fire services can safely access a remote battery park, containing fire spread within urban areas, or protecting critical infrastructure, effective fire protection is essential. At ProMat, we understand the unique challenges BESS manufacturers face, balancing high energy density with strict safety demands and limited space. That's why we offer a range of passive fire protection solutions that combine minimal thickness, low environmental impact, and maximum fire resistance. The walls are reinforced with a dual-layer system. One layer of Microtherm Slim and Light, combined with a layer of Promatect 100, both mounted onto welded flat irons. This provides exceptional thermal insulation and fire resistance without sacrificing valuable interior space. The ceiling is shielded with robust Promatect 100 boards, forming a reliable barrier against heat and flame from above. All cable penetrations are sealed with our PromaStop systems, preventing fire and smoke from spreading between compartments. Doors are secured using PromaSeal products, maintaining the container's fire integrity even at potential weak points. Together, these systems form a comprehensive fire protection strategy, tailored for the unique requirements of modern BESS installations. By using ultra-thin Microtherm Slim and Light in combination with Promatect 100, valuable space inside the container is saved. This allows for a more compact design, or greater battery capacity within the same footprint. An optimal balance between safety and usable volume. With ProMat, you don't have to choose between efficiency and safety. We help you design BESS containers that are not only space efficient and sustainable but also ready to meet the highest safety standards.